Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be solving yet another problem of multi-step equations. So we're going to be taking a look at this step-by-step way of solving this problem right here, and let's go, let's tackle it. Okay guys, so as always, whenever we have a number multiplied by a parenthesis, we have to remember to use the distributive property, right? We also have to remember to add or subtract to isolate the variable. So whenever something is adding, we're going to pass it to the other side subtracting, and whenever something is subtracting, we're going to pass it to the other side dividing. Remember that the end goal is to isolate the variable. In this case, the variable is x, so we want to solve for x. And apart from that, you also have to remember that when something is dividing your variable, you can actually move it to the other side by multiplying. Okay, so in this case, we're going to use the distributive property, right? So 2 times x and minus 2 times 5. And also we have minus 4 times x and minus 4 times minus 2. So minus 2 times x minus 2 times positive 5 plus 4 minus 4x is equal to minus 4 times x and minus 4 times minus 2. Now, minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times positive 5 is going to be minus 10. Then we have positive 4, negative 4. Negative 4 times x is going to be negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 2 is going to be positive 8. And now we're going to move everything that is a variable or that has a variable to one side, and then whatever doesn't have the variable, so whatever is a number, we're going to pass it to the other side. So in this case, I'm going to choose to move the x's to the left and the numbers to the right. So here we have minus 2x. This is going to the other side, this as well. We have minus 4x, and we're going to bring that minus 4x as a positive 4x. And then we have on the right, we have that positive 8, the plus 10 from the minus 10 here, and negative 4 here, right? So we're going to have minus 2x, then we have minus 4 plus 4x, so they cancel each other. So we're going to have minus 2x is equal to, and then we're going to have 8 plus 10, which is 18, minus 4 is going to be 14. Now the minus 2 is multiplying the x, so we're going to isolate it by dividing by minus 2. So x is going to be equal to 14 divided by minus 2, which is going to give us an answer of x equal to minus 7. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. Make sure you are using the distributive property and that you're actually solving the problem properly by following these steps. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!